Well, hey there. I was perusing this book, Cooking from Quilt Country. It's a book of Amish and Mennonite recipes, and I found an exciting one. It's for tomato pudding. So basically, tomato pudding is like a tomato bread pudding. So unique. Am I gonna try it? Heck yes! Let's do it now! I'm gonna start by cubing some bread. I'm gonna take this bread, I'm gonna put it in this little quart baking dish. I've melted a stick and a fourth of butter. I'm gonna pour on top of this bread and then just let it sit here. I just picked some tomatoes from the garden that I'm gonna puree. Add it to a pan with a half cup of brown sugar, half cup of water, tablespoon of lemon juice, little bit of orange juice, salt, pepper. Simmer for 5 minutes. I'm pouring that tomato mixture on top of the bread cubes. I'm ladling on this tomato sauce. I'm putting it in another glass baking dish with some hot water. And I'm gonna bake it in there for 1 hour. In a 375 degree oven. The top will get puffed and brown, it says. Serve immediately. Tomato pudding. Let's eat. There it is. It certainly looks like a bread pudding. Let's taste it. Kinda sweet, tomatoey, and it's good. It is fun getting to utilize things from our garden and try something unique from Amish Mennonite cookbook. You know what? You can try unique things too. Come on, give it a try. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. What do tomatoes and potatoes have in common? Toes.